Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy AJ back at it. Yeah, we have another trade recap here. We're gonna be talking about a lot today. A lot of lessons that not just this trade has taught me, because it didn't really teach me much except what I'm about to talk today. Well, it actually taught me a lot, but it wasn't actually the trade. It's just overall what I've seen with the markets, right? So if you guys know my strategy, I trade before the 8 o'clock candle open, right? 8 o'clock is 7 o'clock, right? So I'm here, I wake up here, 8 o'clock. Just a brief example, if it's too high, candles like an engulfing, we're not trying to sell or buy right away. We wait, yada yada. So if you guys saw my previous vid, these trades were garbage. This one was alright because it had previous support over here, but the fact that it was so far away just didn't make much sense. But then we had this one, which is absolutely like a first month trade right here, bro. Just not even gonna talk about it. It was same candle entry, like an exit is terrible. Like I had no proper anything for both of these trades actually. But so we're gonna hop back into this trade right here. So we're gonna be talking about why you can't let these YouTube videos change your perception so much, right? I have something called the BS mode. When the market's in the BS mode, it means that it's just pumping up for no reason, just to fall. Okay, this is BS, straight like this. Since this has happened and this gap right here, it's straight BS. All right, so what are we looking for when it's straight BS? We're looking to be hands off. We're looking for the weakness, right? We're looking for this right here. This is weakness right here. Why the hell are you buying, my guy? Why are you buying? And it's not even bad that you bought right here. It's bad that you didn't look again, right? We didn't look again for the sell. Like, we know this is weak structure, even though there's a no wick up here and everything like that. The structure is weak, bro. It's hella weak, right? So not only did it, for this to constitute as a actual trend up, first off, this shouldn't be here, right? But not only that, we had, let me see this one right here. This was solid, all right. But when we see stuff like this, we go up, and then comes back down to hit the demand, then that's sus. That's sus behavior, especially if it doesn't go up a decent amount of points. Sus behavior. Like, this is not much at all. Like, that's just a couple hundred. Like, when the market's in a real trend and is really the bottom, like, it's gonna start shooting up properly, right? Then we also have this right here. This is terrible. 7 o'clock's already up like this. This is prime real estate for sales, right? Even though like we can't sell right away though. That's what I have to understand. It has to make its BS, has to do its BS mode, right? Has to make some type of structure, some type of weird like movement, and you just know when the movement's weird, right? And then the next day we have another one at 7 o'clock. It's up a little bit. It's up, right? Why? It's weak. There's no real structure for this. Like, if you look at this, where is this going? You telling me it's going to go up? You telling me you gonna bet this will go up rather than go down? Now, it's okay if you bet one time, right? But then as soon as you see a break structure, right? Broke structure, we should be looking for the sell. Broke structure to the downside. This is literally exactly what we should have done, right? But not only do we not take it, which if we were on point, we would be taking a sell here, boom, we would have got stopped out, right? Stopped out because we go with the previous candle, right? As soon as this candle closes, we're gonna stop loss here, boom. Now, it does tricky business when we have areas like this, right? When we're super close like this, we have to be like, okay, we know it's weak, we know it needs to go down. Giving it that little breathing room, or even getting stopped out and then ready to get back in, put the stop loss above here at a reasonable spot, then like that's another entry right there. That's what we need to be on point. That's the key right there, being proactive in these trades, okay, and looking and being attentive, right? So but yeah, man, I've been watching some YouTube videos because I like watching YouTube videos about this stuff. I love this stuff, but it had me thinking like, or maybe it might go crazy off some BS. But I've done so much backtesting and studied the markets for years now. Like, I just need to trust myself and just stick with that. And just, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But overall, this needs to come down. It's literally chopped in half. Market has no structure here. It's dookie. This is not a flipping stock, my guy. This is an ass. It's an accumulation of the stocks. Like, stocks have hella gaps everywhere. This does not do that. They fill like a lot of the time, especially with this much of a gap. Like, come on, bro. Like, what are you really doing here? But saving grace right here is, it looks like it's not gonna fill today. Hopefully not. And hopefully we catch some setups for the next time. Hopefully it's a real clear, just like over here when we had this consolidation over here, real choppy movement, right? And then we had the London Asian, and then boom, the real obvious sell. Like, this is stupid obvious. 8 o'clock, we wouldn't get in here, engulfing, right? Wait till the next candle, get in at the next candle, wait till that closes, right? Because there's no clear area putting a stop loss, right? On these other candles, right? It's too far. Like, it would be like here, that's too much. Wait till the next candle, boom, we get in here, wherever. Most likely you want to get in right away. We can't be playing with this stuff. We get in right away, stop loss here above previous candle, and that's it, right? That's it. What else is there? There's nothing else. See this BS movement, look at this. What is this? BS movement. This is garbage. No volume, dookie, right? Start picking up volume here a little bit, but it shows it wants to go down, bro. This is showing nothing but down. Look, 7 o'clock. Why are you buying this? No reason to buy this. Pretty sure I even bought this, bro. Like, I don't even know. 7 o'clock, we wait. We want to go down. It shows it wants to go down. Like, when it has structure like this, and it's just like constantly going higher instead of then proper structure, then boom, up again, proper structure, it wants to go down. It shows you, it's showing you what it wants to do, bro. I promise you. Just pay attention, right? Then again, let's see if we go here. 7 o'clock candle. Wait, my bad. 7 o'clock candle is 8 o'clock. Right here. Wants to go down. Once again, you could even sold this. Now, this is not going to be the move because we need huge, obvious stuff. But this could be a short-term sell, right? Short-term sell. Boom, right there. Not much. Not much. Not looking for buys. It's still weak, right? So here engulfing, we don't touch it yet. We wait, right? Gotta wait. Probably would have sold right here on this next candle. Get stopped out. Now we have to be proactive, right? Have to really, these are the quick decisions that we have to make on the fly and say, is this really going up? What is this showing us? Do we have the conviction and take that trade or not take that trade and just wait? Wait for the day, take 2 losses on here or 1 loss or whatever. Wait for the London and Asian. You know, same thing, engulfing, wait. Candle close, wait. Candle open, boom, stop loss here, boom. Write it down, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Get out right here. Because we go by the hours. Stop loss here, if it closes here, boom, stop loss here. Oh, stop loss here, close candle. Next candle here, right? Stop loss here, and continuation. You get me? And then this is when the magic happens, bro. Because not only did I call this whole thing, right? Because of this. Was it that? Let me check. Because I just check on my phone, right? So now when we had this big move, right? I knew it was coming. because of this right here. When this gap stayed here like this, yeah, it was right here. This was the gap right here. Yeah, you can see it better on the phone. It's like right there. But this is the gap right here. When I saw this gap, I knew it's not gonna be able to sustain. Like, I don't go off these gaps and everything because I just go off the phone. On the phone, those gaps have wicks, right? But this is the whole gap with no wick and everything. Okay, so you know, I knew all this, that we got to be hesitant with these plays right here, because this is where I take my most L's, right? When I'm at areas like this, I'm expecting just this, like, liquidity grab, boom, and go. But for real, the real move is really waiting it out. So look, seeing the chop, right? Seeing the chop, weird movement, hella hard to trade right here. Just shouldn't touch it. Like, but we know it's going down. We know it's not gonna go up because of these gaps, and it's not gonna be smooth. So we got to be looking for those sells, right? No, more chop, and then we just had this giant, just garbage BS to go up, and then starts dropping, and then starts dropping, right? And then it taps that area over there. But these moves play out, bro. I promise you. Like, all you have to do, like, if you look at my old vids, like 3 days ago or whatever, I broke down all my trades that I did here, and you can go back and look at my entries and all that. I'm not gonna go over all that, but yeah, we have to be proactive with these trades, bro, and really just stick to what we know. Because right here, this is like, if I'm just doing 0.3s, even 0.2s, that's already 600 bucks right there, or 700, something like that. And like, we know this is like, it could be the area and it could not, but areas like this is where you want to be in at, right? It's gonna make structure, it's gonna do some stuff, like it has to. Just like that other one over here, just like this, how this looked like the move but it really wasn't. But this is a little different because it's making solid structure to the downside. It might make something like this, I'm not sure, but you know, it's not our job to predict what it's gonna do. Our job are these entries and exits. That's it. Knowing when it's BS, knowing when to buy and when to wait, when to sell. That's what we want, right? And we know these gaps are gonna get filled. More than likely, it's gonna get filled. And even if it doesn't, there is no structure here whatsoever. This little bit of structure, garbage. This made nice structure. If this was like closed, this is beautiful. Nice structure here. Way too high to buy though. Like, hell no. And like, bro, really just gotta be quick with it. Like, the manzos are invalidating. Like, offer, this was a small buy right here, but it wasn't even worth it. Like, bro, knowing the sell is coming and waiting properly, right? And I've also learned or examined or whatever, whenever the market goes like this, chop, then at the end, last 2 hours, up, I usually say when the market closes up, that's a bullish sign above the open price, right? Which is around 9 o'clock, is around here, right? This is now to me bearish in scenarios like this. Scenarios like this means bearish movement. Okay, so I'm just really talking to myself now. Now you understand. Yeah, I took a small buy, lost 50 on this right here, put 0.2s because I'm a retard, but hopefully next time or tomorrow, right, we're gonna see some decent, you know, just structure here a little bit, obvious sell, and let's try and get that account back, because right now we're at like 500, right? It's tough. We're at 2 grand, now we're at 500, but as long as we're not adding more into this account, we just gotta stay afloat, and when that time comes, we'll be ready. So you know, stay locked in, because stuff like this could really make you just like question stuff. And like everybody's just, you know, stuff is getting tough out here. People, like if you, bro, first off, you gotta make sure you count your blessings, right? First off, hopefully you have no debt. Hopefully you're kind of young. Hopefully you know, just check off all the things that you got, because people have no job at all. People are in degrees for hella debt and can't even find a job. And if they do find a job, it's probably not for what they got. Bro, it's tough out here. And if you're not being proactive and really honing a skill that's gonna make you money in the long run, you're gonna be screwed, bro. And I'm grateful to have a house that I'm able to chill at, not pay much in rent, and it's pretty peaceful. Go to my job 4 days a week. I go to the gym, make sure the mind's clear, because this is what you need for this. This is not just buying and selling. This is a mental toll, 24/7 job right here, you know. So you can't really make it affect you outside of trading, but that's a skill in itself to let that not, and just stick with it. Make sure you are honing the skill, right? Being proactive, just not chilling, right? And yeah, bro, that's all I gotta say right now. It's the recap done for the day. Hopefully you guys like these vids, and your boy AJ signing off.